cold start. This is an atc70. It's so small. But, yeah. At first, it was crap. It didn't even start. So, my dad cleaned the carburetor because I know nothing about these things. The only thing I know is that they take regular gas and they can kill people. And there are some birdies. Hi, birds. So yeah, I'm about to make those fly away because they're about to be scared. Okay, so here we go. No key. This is an atc70. I don't think I need choke for it. No, the choke is off. Let me see what year this is. I don't think it tells me the year. No, it doesn't tell me the year. But here, I'll set up my camera. Right here. That's really it. atc70. Oh, here it is. 1980 Honda Motor COLTD atc70. Hope you liked this video and subscribe and like. Peace.